si Kuya muna.
Okay. Oo, tandaan mo.
Tandaan mo, oo. Taob mo.
2.1. Oh, taob.
Kailangan lang ipakita, Owen, para makita nung kasama mo, ha?
Open.
Let's see that.
Open.
Owen.
Close. No. What?
Three.
What?
Three.
I thought it was red.
Tandaan mo.
Two.
Seven.
Seven.
Six. Ayun, one. Wait. Kuya Art first.
You need to find the 2.
Meron na yung two. Taob mo to. Owen, no. You have to open one.
Find the 2. Find number 2.
Taob ulit.
Find the number 3.
Na-open mo na yun kanina.
Oh,
Taob mo ulit.
close.
Taob mo ulit.
Oh,
Yung four. Ay!
5.
Five. Six. Ang galing. Seven. Na-open niya na kanina yun. Eight. Nine.
9.
Oh, wait, tandaan mo. Kasi pinikamali si Kuya Art.
Kuya.
Oh,
Taob
10.
mo kaagad ah.
I remember.
Ay! 11.
Tawa mo na lang, tawa lahat.
Taob lahat. Parang ano si Owen. Date lang. Galing. Oh.
Definitely here.
Six. Seven. Eight.
9, 10, 11.
Oh, sinong next?
Next.
That's the second one we won.
Rumble, 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 rumble.
That's her prize. What?
Wow, yan. Ate Lucy, kain ka lang ba ate? Dali, turo.
Flower.
Shower mo. Ayaw kayo, Ate Lucy.
It's a toy.
Oh, picture, picture.
Ayun na, Ate Lucy.
Kuya Charlie, Kuya Charlie.
Ngayon na rin papatay.
Okay.
Obya.
Mahusay ko sa sizes ng tornilyo, pambira.
Okay.
Sizes ng tornilyo ko.
Congratulations.
Oh, bato, pick.
Bato, pick. Talo. Sino talo?
Ako, nail ito.
Wala naman sa bato, pikang tako.
Ako na kay Carly. Taob niya ah. 121. Ipakita mo kay Charlie para makita niya. Bilis nga nila eh. Wait.
I already know there's like one near two.
Ay, nakaban na yan.
Oh, three.
Meron ko lang yung ginawa yun.
No.
Ayun, one. Number two. Three.
Three. Could be anywhere.
Itaob nyo kaagad pag mali kayo. Taob.
Okay.
Dapat naman ko, Charlie, magtaob.
Kaya nga, itaob nyo pag ano, mali kayo. Taob.
Yun.
Mali.
Taob mo, kuya.
Mali.
Sabay din. Na-open nyo na yung three kanina. Na-open nyo na yung three kanina.
Oh, taob.
Balik.
Wala to sa mga. Wala.
Matagal nga to.
Ang bilis ka ni Owen sa ni Art eh. Ayun.
4.
Four. Mali. Hindi na four.
4.
He's just gonna open it all back.
Hello. Tandaan nyo kasi kung nasaan yun. Three.
Oh, family.
Itaob nyo po kapatid.
Sobrang magtagal.
Oh!
1, 2,
Three.
3.
Ba't puro dyan kayo?
May memory card na kami.
Magpalit naman kayo ng buksan. Puro yun yung binubuksan nyo eh.
Okay.
Like either here or here.
3,
Yan, yan.
5, 6,
Oh, hindi na alam ang 7.
Owen.
alam mo na yung 8.
Taob lahat. Ulit. Nalito na si Kuya Charlie. Hanggang 2 lang yan. 2.
Isa-isa lang. Dapat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tandaan mo na, Kuya Charlie. 7. Alam mo na yung 8. Saan?
3 beses na binuksan natin.
Tandaan mo, Kuya Charlie.
Why do you keep on putting that one?
2,
That's supposed to be like
Eight.
upper.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh.
Parang nandun yun.
Oh my gosh! No, no, no.
4, 5, 6.
What was that one? Oh, 10. 8 is right beside 10, I think. 6, 7. Oh, I know.
Yun!
8.
Yung 8, nabuksan nyo na kanina yun.
Ayan o, ayan o. Yan, yan!
Sarado. Sarado nyo.
Pinche ka, pinche. Are you kidding?
4, 5, 6, 7.
Are you kidding?
Kami na lang kaya maglaro. 1, 2, 3,
I'll show you how this is done.
5,
Nabigay ko
6, 7.
No! That's like a
Sige, nabuksan nyo na lahat. 1.
You still haven't.
Nawala na ito.
You still haven't touched this one.
May 9 ba kayo?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yun! Ayun na eh. Ayun, eto. Hindi! Alam na ni Papa Ted.
It's either this
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8.
8, 9.
Alam mo na yung reserve. You can't turn the light
Alam na tayo na, Charlie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mali! Parang ano?
Memory gap na.
Naguluhan eh.
Hindi ko na po tayo winner for tonight.
Mali.
We're gonna stay here until we're gonna sleep.
5, 6, 7. Nawala na naman yung 8. Tandaan nyo kasi. Kapatid ko na. Chance mo na yan.
Get up to the little lady.
Last chance na yan.